Today we have Evertech USA's hidden adapter camera. We're going to show you how to use the camera to record. This is the remote control, the audio video cables that you can also plug into your DVR and TV, and the adapter camera. Here is the remote sensor. Here is the camera. Here is the microphone. And here is the LED adapter light. This will always stay on red to show that your camera is on. Here's the reset button. And here is the recording light colored. Now we're going to start recording with the camera. You must have an SD card, and the SD card must be formatted before inserting into the camera. The SD slot is located in the back of the adapter. Gently give it a light push. This way the SD card will fit. Now plug in the camera. You see the power adapter light is on, the green sensor light is on, and this means that when you plug in the first time, motion sensor recording will now start. Motion sensor recording records for 1 whole minute, and if there is no motion, they will stop recording. After 1 minute is done, if something moves in front of the camera, it will record for another whole minute. If you want to stop motion recording, press this button for the sensor. The light will turn green, and when the light is green, you know that you're not in recording mode anymore. If you want to do continuous recording, click the camera button. Point it at the adapter sensor, click. The lights will flash, and once it turns off, you now know that you are continuously recording until you press the movie button off. Press to turn off. The lights will flash. This means that they have saved your video to the SD card. If you want, you could also take snapshots with the camera button. You could also only record audio with the microphone. You can turn off the adapter camera, which is recommended. This way you don't lose any of your videos on the SD card. It is now safe to unplug your product.